Welcome back to today's Explainer. I am so incredibly thrilled to have you here today because, well, we are tackling one of the most pressing, heavily talked about topics in the world right now. We're looking at exactly how artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing and, in some cases, completely replacing millions of jobs, all while saving companies billions of dollars in operational costs. Okay, let's just dive right into this because I know there is a lot of fear and misinformation out there, and our main goal today is to cut right through that noise. We're going to break down 5 specific roles that are most at risk, and much more importantly, we're going to look at exactly what you need to do to pivot if your job happens to be on this list.
2030. Now, we are not talking about some distant sci-fi future here. We are talking about a massive career shift that is happening right around the corner. Within this incredibly short window, the expectations for human output versus machine output are going to completely flip in several major industries. And that means we have to prepare right now.
So, the big question staring us in the face, is your job on the list? As we go through this explainer together, I want you to actively think about your own daily tasks. Are they mostly routine? Are they complex? And hey, I highly recommend you stick around until the very end of this breakdown, because the 5th job we cover is a major surprise. It completely shatters the stereotypes we usually hear about what kinds of jobs are supposedly safe from AI. Okay, let's jump into section 1, routine admin and writing. We're going to look at data and first drafts here. Let's start with jobs centered around data entry, scheduling, and basic customer inquiries. The reality of the source data is crystal clear. AI tools can now process millions of rows of data in literal seconds. They handle this repetitive processing significantly faster and way cheaper than a human ever could. But listen, if this sounds like your job, there is actually really good news. The skills required for admin work transfer beautifully into AI-adjacent roles. So instead of doing all that raw data entry yourself, humans are pivoting to AI training and quality assurance. You're basically stepping up to supervise, correct, and optimize the machine's raw output. The second job on our list is basic content writing and copywriting. Look, AI is now incredibly capable of quickly drafting a really decent first-pass piece of content. The days of paying a human to write a formulaic blog post from scratch, those are ending. However, AI absolutely cannot replace human editing, overarching strategy, and a truly unique brand voice. The human role is shifting from being the typist to being the director. I actually want to pause for a second on this quote directly from our research. Human editing, strategy, and brand voice are becoming more valuable, not less. So the absolute crucial point here is that writers shouldn't panic. They just need to adapt. Writers who pivot toward editing and directing AI output, the ones who infuse that raw AI text with strategic direction and a compelling human voice, they are actually experiencing an increase in demand right now. The market is paying a real premium for people who know how to guide the machine. Moving right along to section 2, service and legal. This is where human judgment really matters. Job number 3 brings us to basic customer service roles. Chatbots and AI support agents are eagerly eating up a massive share of simple support tickets. In fact, they're often resolving up to 70% of Tier 1 inquiries without any human intervention at all. Questions like, where is my order? Or how do I reset my password? AI handles that instantly. But the roles that remain highly valuable, and honestly, where your career lives, are those managing complex, high-stakes, or highly emotional situations. When an account is hacked or a customer is deeply frustrated, there's no algorithm for that. It requires genuine human empathy and judgment. Job number 4, junior-level paralegals and basic legal research. AI absolutely excels at scanning decades of case law in seconds and drafting basic boilerplate legal documents. If your whole job is just sitting there digging up old cases, you are definitely at risk. But the necessary pivot here is stepping toward complex case strategy and direct client interaction. Paralegals who step away from the search bar and instead focus on the nuances of a messy, complicated human situation, they are strongly insulating their careers against the shift. All right, we've made it to section 3, the tech job surprise. Because yes, coding is changing. I want to ask you directly, what about tech jobs? For the last decade, we've all been told that as long as you learn to code, you are perfectly safe from automation, right? We've treated the tech sector as this impenetrable fortress. But is it? Let's reveal job number 5. Job number 5 is entry-level coding and basic software testing. AI coding assistants are genuinely fantastic right now at writing boilerplate code and catching simple bugs.
pretty much entirely automating the basic busy work. But here is the wild twist. This automation does not decrease demand for tech workers overall. Actually, by speeding up the basic coding process, it creates a much higher demand for senior engineers who can actually architect complex systems and review all that AI-generated code to make sure it fits together securely. Let's zoom out a bit for Section 4, the real AI pattern. Let's find the trend here. When we look at all these completely diverse fields, admin, writing, support, legal, and tech, a really clear pattern emerges regarding what AI actually replaces. Think about it. Data entry, first drafts, simple tickets, basic case searches, and boilerplate code all have one major thing in common. They are highly repetitive. But look at the necessary human pivots we discussed: QA, brand strategy, high-stakes judgment, client strategy, and system architecture. Not a single one of those is repetitive. They all require incredible nuance. AI is not destroying these entire fields. It is strictly dividing the tasks within them, based entirely on repetition versus complex judgment. Which brings us to this massively empowering quote from our source material. AI isn't eliminating these fields entirely. It's eliminating the most repetitive tasks within them. I absolutely love this because it completely reframes the fear. It's not about your field disappearing overnight. No, it's a clear, actionable roadmap telling you exactly which tasks you need to let go of and which skills you need to aggressively start cultivating right now. So the crucial point to take away from this entire explainer is this: AI eliminates repetition. Humans provide judgment, oversight, and complex skills. Future-proofing your career doesn't mean you have to fight the AI. It means you let the AI do all the boring stuff so you can lean heavily into oversight, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence. You literally must become the manager of the machine. Which leaves us with one final, absolutely vital question. How will you future-proof your specific career against this shift? Seriously, take a hard look at your daily routine tomorrow morning. Are you acting like a robot, or are you acting like a strategist? I'd really love to hear your thoughts on this, so please drop a comment with your specific job, and let's continue the conversation about how we navigate this changing world of work together. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, stay focused out there.